Hi, my name is Logan.
My name is Rainey, and welcome to Adventures with Logan and Rainey, birthday edition.
So today, we are celebrating Rainey's birthday. Whoop, whoop! She's finally turning 23 in a few days. So she decided to celebrate by going to Texas Roadhouse
And
for
Dave
dinner.
and Buster's.
And then we might go to Crumble. So
Who knows?
stay tuned. We will try and film as much as we can. And we will see you guys soon. We gotta go make sure we are on the wait list.
Yeah.
Because it's pretty
Parking
busy.
lot's full.
Yeah, it's pretty busy. So we'll see you inside.
Their own parking.
No, I think those are parking spots.
Are we sure?
No.
Well, maybe they're.
That guy made their own parking spot. Tesla to go. Oh, God. Alright, so we just finished dinner.
Yes, we're stuffed.
We are so full. This is what we had. I had barbecue chicken with french fries and applesauce.
I had steak and shrimp with loaded baked potato and applesauce.
And you had 4 rolls?
Yeah.
And I had 4 rolls.
Yeah.
So now we are heading to Dave & Buster's.
Yes.
We would have filmed more in there, but it was too loud, too many people, too much for me. And I feel like Dave & Buster's is going to be the same way. Oh, I got one. Coming in hot. So I don't know how much we'll film in there, but we'll definitely take some pictures, per usual.
Yes.
And then we will update you guys as the night goes on. The night is young.
Wait, hang on. I'm starting the night with 23,000 tickets. And you have how many?
12,000,
Okay.
I think.
Okay.
I don't know.
Alright, we'll update you afterward to see how many we have.
Hopefully we win big.
Hopefully.
Oop. See you soon. Busters. I don't know how many tickets I ended with, but we played a lot of games.
Yeah, I got like 1,000 tickets, I think.
Rainey got quite a bit.
I went from 23,000 to 24,000, and then I didn't get any prizes.
Prizes are not worth it, so.
I had enough for, what was it?
Lava lamp.
Lava lamp.
She could have bought 4 lava lamps.
I want a lava lamp, I don't need a lava lamp. They're so 2005, you know?
So now we are heading to Sweet Frog.
Yes.
Ooh.
Which is closer to Texas Roadhouse than...
Yeah, we're going backwards.
Yeah, we're backtracking. That's alright.
Better find your lovin'.
There was line dancing in Dave & Buster's.
Yeah, they typically have it on Fridays.
I didn't know that.
Yeah.
I should join.
Go for it.
Should work at Dave & Buster's. Should work at Texas Roadhouse.
You're gonna have all these jobs, girl.
I have quite a few already. What's 2 more?
True. Okay, well, we will see you at Sweet Frog. Bye, friends. We just finished Sweet Frog.
Yes.
It was really good. I got raspberry and coconut for my flavorings, and then everything chocolate you can think of was on top.
I got vanilla because they didn't have original tart. Sad day.
Per usual.
And then I got Oreos, rainbow sprinkles, and coconut.
Anything else you'd like to do?
I don't think so.
Alright, well, go comment down below happy birthday to Rainey. But hopefully by the time this video is posted, her birthday will be approaching.
Or past.
Or past by 2 months. It's okay. Just still comment down below happy birthday, Rainey. I will send her all the screenshots for you guys. Anything else you'd like to add?
Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, press all the buttons, do all the things. And wish your friend a happy birthday if it's their birthday.
On their birthday.
Of course. You know what? Throw them a curveball. Just be like, happy birthday. My birthday's not for 6 months. I'm being prepared.
And with that, we will see you guys next time. Doodles!
See ya!